Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Raksha. I'm Raksha.
Hi, Raksha. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again.
It's wonderful to have you back, Lohi. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for tuning in today. We have a super simple and very useful topic, especially for beginners.
That's right, Raksha. Today, we're going to talk about our day.
You know, the small things we do every day. It's actually a great way to learn basic verbs and daily vocabulary.
Exactly. And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Share this episode with your friends who are learning English and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do.
We also love hearing from you, so feel free to leave a comment about your day or anything new you're learning. Okay?
Lohi, are you ready to talk about what we do during the day?
Absolutely, Raksha. Let's start with the morning. What do you usually do in the morning?
Well, the first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. That's a good time. I sometimes wake up a little earlier, around 6:30.
Wow, you're an early bird, Lohi. After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Get out of bed is actually a very important phrase.
That's right. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Brush my teeth and wash my face.
These are very common actions that everyone does.
Yes. After that, I go to the kitchen. What do you do in the kitchen in the morning?
I usually make breakfast.
Make breakfast. What do you usually have for breakfast, Lohi?
I often have coffee and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit too, like a banana or an apple.
Coffee and toast. Simple and delicious. I usually have tea and some cereal. After breakfast, I get dressed.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes.
Exactly. I choose my clothes for the day and put them on. And what do you do after you get dressed, Lohi?
If I'm going out, I might put on my shoes and my coat.
Put on my shoes and put on my coat. Very good. Then I usually leave the house.
Leave the house. Where do you usually go in the morning?
I usually go to work. I work in an office.
Go to work. I sometimes work from home too, but sometimes I go to an office.
That's interesting. So, Lohi, what do you do in the morning? Can you tell us your routine?
Sure. I wake up around 6:30, then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I go to the kitchen, make tea, and have cereal for breakfast. Then I get dressed. If I need to go to the office, I put on my shoes and maybe a jacket. Then I leave the house and go to work.
That's a great morning routine, Lohi. We used many important verbs there. Wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, put on a coat, leave the house, go to work.
Yes, these are very useful verbs for beginners.
Now, let's talk about what we do during the day. Raksha, what do you do at work?
At work, I usually sit at my desk and work on my computer. I answer emails and write reports.
Sit at my desk, work on my computer, answer emails, write reports. Many people do these things.
That's right. Sometimes I also have meetings with my colleagues.
Have meetings means people get together to talk about work.
Exactly. What about you, Lohi? What do you do during the day, especially when you work from home?
If I work from home, I also sit at my desk and use my computer. I might write articles or prepare lessons.
Sometimes I have online meetings, write articles, and prepare lessons. Very useful phrases.
Yes, and usually around lunchtime, I have lunch.
Have lunch. What do you usually eat for lunch, Lohi?
I often have a sandwich or a salad, something light.
A sandwich, a salad. Sounds healthy. I sometimes bring my lunch from home or go out to eat.
Go out to eat. That's nice. After lunch, we usually go back to work.
Yes, back to work until the end of the day.
What happens after work, Lohi?
After work, I usually go home.
Go home. Ha, that's a great feeling. What do you do when you get home?
Sometimes I relax on the sofa and watch TV.
Relax on the sofa and watch TV.
That sounds very relaxing. It is. Sometimes I also cook dinner.
Cook dinner. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta, or sometimes I make a simple soup.
Pasta, soup? Delicious. I also like to cook dinner and sometimes try new recipes.
After dinner, what do you usually do, Raksha?
After dinner, I often wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. Not my favorite activity, but it has to be done, huh?
Me neither. Sometimes I read a book or talk to my family or friends.
Read a book, talk to family, talk to friends. These are nice evening activities.
What about you, Lohi? What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I sometimes go for a walk.
Go for a walk. That's good exercise.
Yes, or I might listen to music.
Listen to music? What kind of music do you like?
I like many kinds, but in the evening, I usually listen to something relaxing.
That sounds lovely. Before going to bed, what do you do?
I usually brush my teeth again.
Brush my teeth? Good habit.
Yes, and then I go to bed.
Go to bed. What time do you usually go to bed, Lohi?
I try to go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
That's a good time. I usually go to bed a little later, around 11:30. So today, we talked about waking up, getting ready in the morning, going to work or working from home, having lunch, finishing work, going home, relaxing, cooking dinner, and going to bed.
Yes, Raksha, we covered many useful everyday actions. Let's quickly review some key verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, put on a coat, leave the house, go to work, sit at my desk, work on my computer, answer emails, write reports, have meetings, write articles, prepare lessons, have lunch, go home, relax, watch TV, cook dinner, wash the dishes, read a book, talk to family and friends, go for a walk, listen to music, go to bed.
That's a great list, Lohi. These are things everyone does, so learning them is very helpful.
Absolutely. Try using these phrases to talk about your own day from morning to night.
Yes, practice really helps. You can even write it down.
Writing helps you remember words better.
That's a wonderful idea, Lohi. And don't worry if you don't know everything yet. Just try your best.
Exactly. Learning English takes time and practice. Be patient and enjoy your progress.
Such good advice, Lohi. We talked a lot about our day today, and we hope you found it helpful.
I hope so too, Raksha. It was fun talking about daily routines.
It really was. Thank you so much for joining us today on Speak English with Raksha.
Yes, thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos.
And please share this with anyone learning English. Also, leave a comment telling us about your day or what topic you want next.
We read your comments and truly appreciate them. Until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye for now, everyone. Goodbye.